Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists. Apropos anything we don't concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see say this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel, news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I go leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
About this Kate, Aboki wife, Kate the winch. So if me, I never really get time to look something. I know they know how to talk about her, because I've never been wronged on this social media. I understand, because if you don't know me, waiting my eye not reach, or I not just know how that matter really be. I know they like to talk put. That's it. So that's why I've never really had the time, and not only that, I don't say all this their social media matter. I know they like to talk put. That's just it. Whereby presenters they have issues, things will concern social media, all these their stuffs there. Unless very important things now they talk put. You understand? But I can't look into this matter now. I look say, because this case, if you have to look at it, not be something where just only relates only to this circle of these they are presenting stuff or whatever the presenters. I won't pass like that. Because when Kate come this social media, she introduced herself to Ross, say see what she be. So that make me, although it's very unfortunate now, why I not go really, that's maybe from tomorrow I will really take my time to look how these things dey, because I dey hear say where she go somewhere, she can't collect somebody's sand under the person's leg and all this. But because I've never really had the time now, like I said, to watch these videos, I know if we can't talk with it, I don't know. But where I want quickly touch now, maybe I see somewhere just now. Then Kate, they talk say people can't they talk say something where she do or something like that. That today Ed not don't already explain these things, and people be one can't use that thing to can't they say not be like that. There be one can't they turn her, you know, to can't they say no, they one can't use that to the call and winch, to the call and winch. Now that one, now me I just see right now. I can't say no, this thing is not right. Although me I never watch this thing, I never really know how this matter be. But for Kate to come, they say people be one can turn that thing for her to come seem like a winch, or for people for people to come the caller say she be winch. So now that place me I don't understand. Now I say no, I'm not getting this thing right. How you go say people they turn something so that they one can do and say so that people go come they look you as winch? Not be you first of all tell people say you be winch, which you even demonstrated. Or you know, not be something where you just talk like that. You use so many proofs to back up that thing for people to really know that you are a winch. Why you go come the banner now say people they be one can turn that matter for your next say that sand where you collect, so that people now they go come they look at you as a winch. Were you not the one that first of all told everybody here that you are a winch? And not just that, you performed all rituals, sacrifices to, you know, to back up your statement, so that in order for people to really believe you. So why you go come they feel bad, or come they say people they do this thing now, they turn whatever, which I never really know what to go on there now. That's why I don't really know how to explain. But in any which way, you're not supposed to come get problem. Because if I say today that this is who I am, This is what I am. Somebody like me now, I dey always tell people now, I'm Mediani Yesige the second. So you cannot come to call me Mediani Yesige the second. I'll come say no, this thing where you they do, you want me, they come they look at me as really Mediani Yesige the second. That's who I am. That's what the way you portrayed yourself before the world. So when you come, because nothing has changed. You have never come out one day to come say you are not a winch any longer. You perform all sorts of sacrifices. Everybody saw it that you are really winch. So then you carry people go Switzerland, waiting that they call in South Africa. Say you do this one, you perform every sacrifices and all that. There's nothing you didn't do when winch not they do. And in all these things now, you never come out to tell people, say you are not a winch. Really? So why you go come say people they try to frame you now? That's the way you are not trying to put it. Say people they try to frame you as a winch. To tell people say you are a winch, which you yourself confirmed. That is who you portrayed yourself to be. You portrayed yourself to be a winch when you came on social media. Just like every one of you. Every one of you, you came out saying you are this, you are that. The one way go come out, so you go say, oh, look at what happened to her, look at how you take come out, or look at what he can do, you know, as introduction. So you came out as a winch. Why you go come they pain you, or you come they try to bend now? Me, I know they like bending matter. I know they like that. In fact, the way you portrayed yourself to be a winch, whereby people now, they give you that accolade or something to even promote you to say, yes, they know you as a winch. You don't have to have anything against that. You're not supposed to come and talk saying that people come to paint you now or to frame you. Are you not a winch? Since when you confess here, you even talk rich in your bossa. Say una they get sign for forehead, una they tell no people. And lots of things you said. Okay? And true not be winch, not go John no to that extent. Say we get sign, no, we get the mark. Even if you are a winch from other place, with the witches of Iyobosa, we must recognize you. Why? Because you get this mark. Not only that, you did a lot of fetish things, sacrifices, things where you even talk self. Many of them, I'll go revisit that video now. I have to go and rewatch all of them again. Because there were too many. Not be the one where me I go can't feel remember or now. Unless if me I want really talk about issues, I can't go watch those videos again. So there's no, there's no doubt about that. Okay? You proved it. You proved it yourself beyond every reasonable doubt that you are a witch. Not be waiting, you just use my talk. You go talk and reach, say, even the time when you become social media, and I saw you carry 3 people first go on a coven. Go ask them, say, this coven, I not gonna know whether you send a native daughter, because me, I know the talk waiting, I don't know. I not gonna remember now, that's why I have to go and watch those videos again. Whether I coven or native daughter, where you first go ask about these 3 people, this place when I dey come, so how you go be for me? Make I enter, because the people where they there, you don't know how they go, whether they go welcome you or something like that. All right. So, Kate, you cannot say who you are, and somebody is not saying that. Or, in fact, you can't change anybody's mindset or what they feel about who you are. Because it's different when me, I go come aside now. You know, social media now, lies full everywhere. Lies full everywhere. If you just see person with lie for your head today, say wetin you not do. You too, you go cook one lie where you go take fire and back. That is saga. That is a different thing. Say, somebody can't tell me, say, today, you can't talk wetin I not do for my body. You not go expect. If I like, I feel keep you quiet. But whereby I can't say that your lie too heavy for me. Me, I go cook my own too. To come see fire you back. On the contrary now, this is not something of saga. Say a person tell you this thing. Say Kate na winch, Kate na shower, Kate na thief. No, you said it yourself and you proved it beyond every reasonable doubt, to the extent where you were carrying the baby to South Africa. You showed it where you go post office. How many people they wait for you now? How these people they command you from there, even waiting you're supposed to do right now. You see? So I don't understand why you go call the same people, they call you witch. I would be very proud when people know me for who I really am, for who I am, to be addressing me in that manner. You understand? You understand? So not like that. Not like that. Eh? So it's just that even in professional areas, anything where you be safe, now people go to address you. If you are a president, that's how. If you are an ambassador, if you are a teacher, if you are a doctor, that's who people know you to be. All right? Because you don't already display and demonstrate to people that this is what I am, and which people have seen in you. How you can't say make they can't they address you? Or same people, you can't go do one thing, now they want use that to frame you up. They be want to make people can't they think say you be winch. Hey? Upon everything now, when I still remember small until I go watch these videos back. Have you come at one day, Kate, to come say, I not be winch, oh, I just talk like that, oh? No. So how do you now want people to address you? Or can't they say that people can't they tell you now say you be winch? I don't understand, though. I don't understand, Kate. Eh? So many things you did, all these rituals you performed. The baby when you carry go South Africa, nobody know how they work. Say may you return them to come the reverse what you do. Hey, all these rituals, even you have not done anything. You have not said so far that you are not a winch. So why you go come complain or feel somehow? That's who you are. That's who you are. I've been over you talking. So now only then I say we can talk about the video one at the top where you said today had not carry and all that. I don't even know how this matter goes. But waiting me I hear for your mouth. Now I tell the talk so. Don't deny who you are. Don't deny it. Because since then you never changed mouth. I've never seen say, or maybe I don't watch the video, I don't know. Say Kate don't come and say don't come be winch now. No. Say after you don't talk that one, people can't still they call you winch. Or to address you as a winch. Never. So you don't need to have problems with that. In fact, you should be happy, self. Say people knows you for who you are, recognize you to be who you are. Eh? So like that one, okay, until I don't know where they get on these videos, what did they say happen, for where they say you collect sand. So until I will see that this thing, then if I still have something to say about it, to really watch and know how it goes, to study the case there. Now only there I go still talk about those ones. But for the meantime, my sister, please don't disturb anyone, eh? Because somebody like me now, you cannot come and change the fact in me that I know you to be a winch. You do everything to even confirm it, to make people to believe it, that this is who you are. For me, or if you fit change out for people brain, you don't fit change out. As I'm speaking to you right now, I know you to be a winch. Because you did everything for me to even believe it. Even native daughters not fit do that thing where you do those time. That time. Native, just common native daughter will not be winch. You know if you perform all those sacrifices, all those incantations, all those things where you do. Not to talk of, you never even can use your mouth to say again, since then, say you not be winch. That's where I have a problem now. So, you see, so if you can change it from people, because me, I take people for who they are. You know if you change them from my head, though. Say you not be winch. Like that. Or you never go lay courses, you never do carry these rituals go anywhere. Huh? It's impossible now. So when they look out and they do something, I don't say this on a matter, me I know they like to. But this your is above just social media saga. We are talking of reality here. We are talking of reality, rituals, diabolical powers, witches and witchcraft, witches and wizard. So you could see this one not be ordinary saga. And you know say ordinary saga, me I know the top put. So please, so people calling you winch, say they call you, make people for things say you be winch. Who they think that one? Huh? You where everybody you demonstrate for all of us. You think a person when not the fly self, just a native doctor, you go fit do all those things where they do. Not to talk of you, even prove it. You prove it. You never use your mouth to talk now, say you not be like that. So please, now let that one say me, I tell you, Kate. As far as I'm concerned, you remain a witch. Because everything you do, you have never one day came out to say you reverse it, or to use your mouth to talk, say, hey, I not be winch. So now winch I know you put. Now what me I know person put. If you see now, if you still concern other presenters, waiting I still know them put. How they came out, now I see they talk. Who they say they be, how they take come out, now they tell that person. Me I know they sabi lie. That's one thing about me. As I don't know you where you come this social media, however you portray yourself, that's how I will use in addressing you. If I told me and you get anything. Okay? Just like your own now. You know, if you can say maybe they call you thief. You not tell me say you be thief, and I not see you say you be thief. Now that witch, now you tell me say you be, now you tell people say you be. Huh? Eh? So not be even waiting you use my talk. People believe it. Oh please, so alright. That's just that. Now your sister where they make my dead pepper just now. If that one see saga, it go fit stay. Well, una go don't use una hand, they find problem finish. This said to make mad from Nigeria. Not be that one, eh? More if una they do problem, if una don't find problem, una not they involve una sisters, una people, other people. Alright? Because to make my prayer where saga never set easy, eh? So mona they remove from our family. Mona they remove from our family. The time when you tell people say you be winch, that girl not there. I don't know whether na your sister or your friend. So don't involve her. Don't involve her. And don't expect people. You can't change that for me. Never. God forbid. What have you done so far? For me not to come and believe again, say Kate not be winch. Nothing, absolutely. Why I go come they say no, who me and no person to be now they talk, oh God forbid, I don't feel go lie. You understand? So that's just that. When we are talking about saga, that one is different. That's why I tell you before. Like say person, you with the fight now, or even, you know, concern anybody, that one person come they tell me, say, Kate na winch. You not use your mouth, talking. You not make me to believe. Performing all the rituals here and there. I feel justice because I hear for this person, man, that they say Kate na winch. I'll just call you like that once or twice. I forget it. Because I know say that one is saga word. But not you. Confirming who you are. Telling the world who you are before my very eyes. You can't make me I can't go the talk otherwise. Or not to believe it. No, it's not possible. It's not possible. So don't blame anybody when know you still as a winch. I'm telling you, Seth, for me, nobody can take that fact away from me that you are not a winch. Okay? You never come out to say one day, say, this thing when I talk, I don't talk but I not be really winch. Yeah? All those rituals you performed, sacrifices here and there, you are not come out to return it. Not to talk of the curses where you lay on people. Swear where you swear for people. You never come out to come reverse it. Huh? So that's that too. Until I hear otherwise from you, and you go really prove it, as you firstly prove to me, say you be winch, when me I believe, until you will be able to prove it to me again, say you not be winch. And there I go come say, okay, make I begin the reason on top, whether not true or not. Alright, so my people, that's that too. Now just make me come out. As you can see, I'm very busy. But when I come hear that one, I say, why you go come the please, so don't try to fool people. That's what I hate. That's what I hate. Say my people now, I can't depend you. Make people can't believe who you be before. Oh my people, when I do well, may I continue. God bless you all. Thank you.